Hello viewers, welcome to Krishna's Karai. My new recipe is sweet and sour raw mango pickle. This is my home tree mango. Preparation time 15 minutes and cook time 10 minutes. No need of preheat the microwave. So please welcome to my kitchen. I have marinated the mango with haldi powder, black pepper powder and red chili powder. Then microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take out from the oven and mix it properly. Now add rock salt as needed, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, then mix it properly. Now add jaggery as needed. Mix it properly till the jaggery is mixed with mango. Now microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take out from the oven. Check it. It should be no watery. It should be dry in consistency. If there is water in the mango, then the fungus will be formed. I want the mango should be perfectly dry. Then cool it and transfer to a airtight glass container. Then ready to serve with paratha and puri.